Today, let's have a speaking practice using household chores. Clean out the closet. Clean out the closet. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Make the bed. Make the bed. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Set the table. Set the table. Do the shopping. Do the shopping. Iron your clothes. Iron your clothes. Water the plants. Water the plants. Vacuum the floor. Vacuum the floor. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Wash the car. Wash the car. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Wash the window. Wash the window. Cook the meals. Cook the meals. Dust the furniture. Dust the furniture. Clean the toilet. Clean the toilet. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. Cut the grass. Cut the grass. Feed the cat. Feed the cat. Rake the leaves. Rake the leaves. Wash the dog. Wash the dog. Do the gardening. Do the gardening. Paint the walls. Paint the walls.
Thank Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.